Welcome back to the trail building series. We are back in my backyard trying to finish up this trail. Leaves have fallen. I need to clean it up a little bit here with the leaf blower, but we're gonna make some good progress today. And I'm hoping, if not today, this video, the trail will be completely done. Now, we still gotta add features and stuff, but I'm hoping at least today the trail will be done and the loop will be finished, and then we can start building features on it. So what we gotta do today, clear out some trees here, continue the path up, and hopefully we hit the road pretty soon. Well, my driveway pretty soon. Let's hop into this. That's a bad start, I guess. GoPro immediately falls over. Stand tall, GoPro. You are strong. You can see here, I just do a rough path with a rake, first pass through, a little bit of single track action, and then I go through and widen it up if I like the way it's flowing. But we're getting into this section of the property towards the top, and it's pretty thick through here, and I gotta choose my lane pretty good. I'm also questionable on this side where my property is, so if I had to guess, we're probably on the other property, but they don't ever use it. I don't know. I've never even seen the people that own this section here. So I'm gonna probably run the path up through this way, because up this way I think is mine, and it's very thick. I'm gonna run this way and try to go left and up more. At the very least, this is just gonna be the climbing trail. I'm not gonna have any features on this section, so if anyone ever had any issues about it, I would just be like, okay, well, I won't use this path anymore, and I'll just make another cut up through my property and make sure I'm actually on my property. But I'm not going to be cutting down any trees on this side or going to be building anything, disrupting anything. So it's really just a path. So there's a path right over here that my neighbors use. They cut through this land as well that we don't really know who owns. I mean, we know who owns off the map, but it's not marked for trespassing, and they've been using it for years. So I'm cutting my trail through this, and I think I'm going to link up right to that trail that they use to link all the properties together. Just to give me a little cheat code so I don't have to cut any of this because it's not mine. And I'm just going to cut right through here and hit that trail, and it goes right up to my driveway. So I think we're going to do that, and this trail is going to be complete, and we're going to have an awesome loop. Trail is officially done. Let's go ahead and take it for a ride. I can show you guys the full loop. It's about a half-mile long, so we didn't quite hit that mile mark that I thought I was gonna hit, but pretty good, and it's a good practice half mile, so I can just loop it over and over again, get my climbing skills up, and I can add more features as I get comfortable with riding. It'll go up with my skill, so when I go out to these trails, I can do the blacks and the black diamonds and all the crazy stuff. Here is the top of the trail, and we are going to quote unquote drop in to the little climb we have here. And here's the entrance. That trail is super fun. It's been a few days since I rode it. Well, I actually did like 4 laps on it yesterday. I'm having a blast on it. But Ashley does not like the entrance, the way it drops down in there. On camera, it doesn't look that bad, but it's pretty steep, especially for somebody who doesn't really like mountain biking, like hardcore stuff. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go out today. I'm gonna rework the entrance and give an alternative way into the trail system where you don't have to do the steep drop off. Here we are at the entrance. It's got some leaves on it. I need to come back and leaf blow it, clean it up a little bit. But as you see, we usually come down in this way. But I'm gonna make an alternative entrance that way. So you can just kind of whoop this way. And it still will flow okay. It just won't have this steep drop right here. Now Ashley's entrance is done. It flows actually pretty good. I think I might like that better than my entrance here, because you get a lot of speed coming straight down this hill, and then you kind of got to brake, so you waste all that speed. This adds a little bit more fun to it, and I like the way it kind of catches this little angle down right here. I think it's pretty fun. Well, now the trail is officially done. We have 2 entrances now. I actually really like that one. It's a good time. And I think it'll be a little bit easier for people to actually get on the trail that aren't super comfortable with mountain biking, because it is pretty steep using the other one. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me on this project. It feels awesome to actually say I finished something. I feel like I'm never finishing things. They always just sit around half finished. But I was able to finish this project, finish the video, put some more videos on this channel where I don't spend most of my time on, but I'm just going to put projects here. So thank you guys for watching this. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. I can do more stuff like this, more projects, more multi-video series projects. I'd love to hear from you guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. That means a ton to me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Check this one out. right here. It's pretty good. And I will see you in the next one.